Hi you guys, I am doing another video to help you with your place value of the day packet. That was your assignment right now, that's why you're watching the video. We're on the second page. Your decimal should be 24 and 631 thousandths. So please make sure you have the right page out, and I'm going to go through some of it with you, but some of it you should definitely already be ready to do on your own. So if I read this decimal out loud, I read it as 24 and 631 thousandths. And that is how you would write it in word form. So I want you to try and write that down in word form, please. Rounding. I'll do one of the rounding for you. How about I do the hundredths place? In the hundredths place, I have a 3. I always look to the right. To the right of it is a 1. That's 4 or less, so I let it rest. So that means the 3 stays the same. And everything to the left also stays. So it'll be 24 and 63. I want you to round the tenths and ones place on your own. Expanded form. I'm going to go ahead and go through this one again with you, just for this example. I'm going to start on the left, and I'm going to take the first digit, which is a 2. I'm going to say 2 times 10, because 2 is sitting in the tens place, plus 4 times 1, because the 4 is sitting in the ones place, plus, and now here's where we need the parentheses, because I'm in the decimal area, a 6 is sitting here, and I multiply it times a 1/10 because it's in the tenths place, plus parentheses 3 because the next digit is a 3, and I'm going to multiply it times 1/100th because it's sitting in the hundredths place, and then plus parentheses 1, I have a 1, and I'm going to multiply it times 1 over 1,000 because it's sitting in the thousandths place. All right. All right, so multiplying and divided. Remember, when I multiply by a 10 or 100 or 1,000, my decimal moves to the right based on how many zeros there are. And then when you divide by a power of 10, the decimal moves to the left. So I'm going to let you guys practice that one. I also want you to be able to compare on your own. So you're comparing. Remember, you can only compare a digit by another digit if it's sitting in the right spot. Notice that this digit is sitting in the hundredths place, or I'm sorry, in the tens place, and this digit is sitting in the hundredths. So can you even compare those? No, you cannot. But think about this. This number does have a number in the hundreds, and this one doesn't. So wouldn't that tell you that this number is bigger? So I want you to look at that and put in the right symbol. All right, I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Which one's bigger, which one's smaller? So how many times bigger is the digit in the tens place compared to the ones place? So the digit in the tens is a 2. The digit in the ones is a 4. Regardless of their digits, I'm just thinking about where I'm at. Think about those parking spots. Because I'm only one parking spot ahead of it, I'm only 10 times bigger. The 2 is 10 times bigger than the 4 because it's in the tens place, and it's one digit away from it. How many times smaller is the digit in the thousandths compared to the hundredths? Well, it's only one place over, so it's 1/10 smaller. All right. I want you guys to be able to do these on your own. You're going to look at each digit, write down what place it's in, and what the value is. Remember, when we do anything in this area, for example, the 6 is in the tenths, but we write the value as 6/10, which looks like a fraction, 6/10. All right? So I want you to finish this page, and that is what your assignment is for today. Please let me know if you are struggling or need any help.